how to get free gifts on Temu, and how can you obtain huge discounts on this app. Temu is one of the most famous e-commerce in the world. It is so popular because you can find objects at a meager price. But in this video, I will reveal codes for receiving free stuff and huge discounts. The first thing you have to do is downloading this app by scanning this QR code, because these codes works if you are new account. After that, insert this code in the Temu search bar. This will allow you to get stuff with an additional 40% discount. If you want to receive gifts, insert this code in the search bar of Temu, and you can receive free stuff. The number of the free stuff depends on how big is your first order. There are a lot of objects and categories that you can choose. From Temu, there are already items at a low price. But with these codes, you can save even more and also get free stuffs. Remember, this is a Black Friday offer, so it is time limited. If you want to take advantage of this offer, check the codes and the links in the description. We will see to the next video. Bye.